So children, this is the second part of the same video. So we are talking about that time that the economic activity we have divided into business, profession and employment, where business can be done in a form of fishing, manufacturing of your goods, even in a form of mining, even producing or selling of electronic goods, and banking. The professions require a special degree, special skills for joining. That's like a doctor, they have to take a degree for the medical. The lawyer, they have to take a degree of legal. And the CA, they have to take accountancy degree. Now for employment means where we are working under somebody else, and for our work we are getting wages or salaries. So it's worker, it can be employees, it can be a salesman. So these are the three different category of economic activity. Now we will be reading about these different category of economic activity deeply. So let's start from the first category of economic activity, that is business. Now business is what? Business is basically, it refer a process of purchasing, production or sale of goods and services with the objective of earning profit. It means business is a process where we used to purchase or sell things, where we used to produce things, where we used to sell of our goods and services. And the main objective for doing all those things, purchasing, production, selling of goods and services, is earning profit. So that is called business. Now profession, it includes those activity which require special knowledge, skill in the occupation. It means professions are all those activity for which we basically require a special knowledge. For doing those activity, we require a special type of knowledge or special type of skills on degree into a different occupations. Like if you want to do activity like in medical field, you want to work as a doctor, you require special knowledge or special skill of medical degree. If you want to work as a legal or a lawyer, you required a special knowledge or skill of legal degrees. So that is called profession. Now employment, the third category of economic activity. It refers to the occupation in which people work for others and get remuneration in return. So employment is what? It is that occupation in which the people are working for some others, and in this way they are getting remuneration in return. It means they are working for somebody else, and for that work the person is giving them remuneration or something in return. It can be in a form of wages, it can be in a form of salary, or it can be in a form of even commissions also, right? So these are the three things which we are going to discuss. Now we are going to give a proper discussion or differentiate between business, profession or employment. So children, before differentiating these three things, you have to remember one thing very clearly, that all these three are the category of economic activity. It means directly or indirectly all these three terms, business, profession or employment, are related with money or earning of money. Now see business, mode of establishment, how we can start our business, how we can establish our business. So start after completing some legal formalities if needed. It means if you are starting your business, you require certain legal formalities like formation of business, taking certificate for starting your business. ये सारी legal formalities हैं. Once these legal formalities has been done, you can start your business. Now profession, how, what is the mode of establishing of profession? प्रोफेशन को स्टार्ट करने का क्या मोड होता है? मेंबरशिप ऑफ प्रोफेशनल बॉडी एंड सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस रिक्वायर्ड. इट मीन्स दोज हु वांट टू वर्क एज अ प्रोफेशनल, दे हैव टू वर्क एज अ मेंबरशिप. पहले उनको एक प्रोफेशनल बॉडी की मेंबरशिप लेनी होती है, उसका एक सर्टिफिकेट प्रैक्टिस का लेना होता है. देन ओनली अ डॉक्टर कैन वर्क एज अ डॉक्टर. उसको पहले अपनी MBBS की डिग्री लेनी होती है. सो इट रिक्वायर्ड बेसिकली अ सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. Now employment. Employment can start after getting appointment letter. Whenever the employee or employer, two things are there. The employer is the one who give job and employee is the one who work under somebody or under the employer. So whenever the employee get a appointment letter, the employment can start. Now, nature of work. What type of nature of work is there in business? Business basically means it have a nature of provision of goods and services to the public. Means इसका नेचर क्या है बिजनेस का? ये एक प्रोविजन नेचर होता है जहाँ पे ये गुड्स और सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कराता है पब्लिक को और कस्टमर को. प्रोफेशन क्या होता है? पर्सनलाइज सर्विस ऑफ एक्सपर्ट नेचर. जो प्रोफेशन होती हैं ये हर किसी की का पर्सनल सर्विसेज होती हैं जो एक्सपर्ट नेचर के लोग ही दे सकते हैं. Now, employment, it work allotted by the employer according to the contract. Employment में क्या होता है nature of work में कि जो भी आपको अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर मिलने के बाद में वर्क अलॉट किया गया है एम्प्लॉयर के थ्रू according to the contract, you have to work according to that only. Now, qualification. What type of qualifications are required in business, profession or employment? There is no minimum qualification is necessary. Now, business, anybody who have finance, who have money in hand can start the business after taking certain or after going through with certain legal formalities. उसके लिए you don't require any type of qualification. Now, profession. Professional qualifications are training are required. It means a person who want to become a doctor has to go through with MBBS or MD. A person who want to become a teacher has to go through with B.Ed. So these are certain professional qualifications which are required. Now, employment qualification and training as prescribed by the employer. It's completely dependent on the employer that what type of qualification or training he want to take or he want to see inside his employee. Now, capital investment. Capital needed according to the size and capacity. In business, how many capital you are going to invest? It's completely dependent on the size or the capacity of a owner. If you are going to start a big business in size, it will require more capital. If the capacity of a owner is not to invest much, they can start even a small business also. So completely dependent on the capacity and the size of business. Now, profession, a limited capital for establishing. It does not require unlimited capital, a limited amount of capital. Everything is fixed, how much money is required for doing what course. So, limited capital is required for establishing a profession. Employment, no capital is required. Why? Because the employer is going to give work or job to the employee. Employee has to complete the work and employer has to give him the salary. रिवॉर्ड ऑफ रिटर्न्स. बिजनेस का रिवॉर्ड और रिटर्न क्या होता है? प्रॉफिट इज़ द रिवॉर्ड और रिटर्न फॉर बिजनेस. राइट, मीन्स अगर आपको बिजनेस में रिवॉर्ड मिला है और अच्छा रिटर्न मिला है तो इसका मतलब आपको प्रॉफिट मिला है. प्रोफेशन का क्या होता है? प्रोफेशनल फीस इज़ द रिवॉर्ड और रिटर्न ऑफ एनी प्रोफेशन. इट मीन्स इफ़ यू हैव डन डॉक्टर मेडिकल, इफ़ यू हैव टेकन मेडिकल डिग्री तो आपने रिटर्न क्या दिया होगा प्रोफेशनल में? प्रोफेशनल फीस दी होगी आपने उसकी. एम्प्लॉयमेंट में सैलरी और वेजेस आर द रिटर्न. इट मीन्स इफ़ अ एम्प्लॉय इज़ वर्किंग इनसाइड द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, उसका रिटर्न क्या हुआ? उसकी सैलरी और वेजेस. रिस्क. बिजनेस हैज़ हाई रिस्क. वाई? बिकॉज इट्स completely uncertain. We don't know after doing the investment, even the owner does not know whether they are going to get profit or they are going to get losses. So the high risk is there in case of business. Now there is a low risk in case of professional, because whenever anybody has joined the professional, they pay the fees and they got the degree. Now no risk in case of employment, because everything has been mentioned in the contract that how much work has to be taken from the employee and how much salary employer will give to the employee. So there is no risk. Now, code of conduct. There is no code of conduct made from the association side in the business. There is a professional code of conduct which is made in professional, and the term and condition of services contract are to be allowed according to the appointment letter. Now, children, this much only we will read today. In the next video, we will be reading about the objective of business. Thank you.